Hello, Lucid. Well, the spring is definitely here, fully covered in pollen. It is also, can we see temperature? 12 degrees. And it might get towards 20 later in the week, so after minus temperatures last few days, it's a very welcome addition. Today is Monday the 29th of April. Maybe the same day that the video was shot is going to be published. We're going now to circuitdays.co.uk track day to do some laps, but this channel is not about laps, so maybe we'll do some traditional car spotting. So let's go. Look at that 360 view. So fancy. Lovely sight. I guess we're at the right place. By the way, even though we haven't done any car spotting earlier this year, or not that many, check out the new paved car park of the ticket office. I would say the next step would be this massive gravel car park, but to be honest, I don't even know if it belongs to the Nürburgring. And of course, everyone's gonna say like, yeah, you should add a second exit to the actual track, but yeah, unfortunately, that's not a property of the Nürburgring, so it's gonna take probably forever. Look at that! It's actually, well, Apex Edition. I always remember seeing those and saying like, oh, this is like not an Apex car. Back in the days when I was still together with Apex. I wonder when Robert is coming back. Should be actually soon in May. Anyway, let's do some sign up for the track day. Sign up done. So now let's go and do some laps. Hello. How are you? Yeah. See you later. Lots and lots of cool cars today. The GT3 RSs are becoming so common nowadays. It's insane. I guess this year we're probably gonna see the introduction of the Amark kit, and then next year they're going to be, well, like mushrooms. Ooh, nice and pink. Yeah, I just did a lap with the i30N and also, of course, the gapped 718 GT4 MR, videos of which will follow on the main channel. Let's work hard to make this the main channel. I think I drove this car also, I don't know, like 2 years ago or so. But yeah, let's do some car spotting, I would say. That's what you've been missing, I guess, from the old days. That's some interesting M2 with some interesting aero. I guess those are the M Performance parts. Yeah, definitely, with the exhaust and everything. Interesting. What else do we have? We have lots of GT3 RSs. Let's just do traditional walks. 718, I think it's a GTS. M2, Comp, E92, another M2, Seat Cupra with some exhaust air outtake, another M2, M3, 1 Series, E46 with some nice BBS E88s and APs, of course traditional. Then we have a Mustang, then we have a Megane RS. Ooh, look at that, fancy. Very good aero, very nice. Another GT3 RS, the pinky. I love the color. The Ruby Stone Red. No, sorry, Ruby Star. Yes. We have the GT3 RS. Megane. Actually, we're working on a kit for a Megane RS right now, an aero kit for that specific model. Yep. GT3 RS, a Yaris. Actually, I really want to do a Yaris GR as well. Some proper WRC kit. I think it's a 235. Yeah. That says on the license plate as well. GT3 RS. Then we have a Megane RS. Oh yeah, some Fiesta. So sad that they're discontinued. Very nice license plate. FL5 BTG. Very cool. E36 with M2. Wow. So many custom plates. It's very cool. Area Motorsport, Golf GTI, GT3 RS. Oh my god, is that an Opel Corsa? Wow, fantastic, beautiful. Alright, should we check out the other car park, the taxi car park, to see what's there? Because why not? This is the GT3 that I drove last year, I think. Love the color. I think last year when I was speccing a GT3 for myself, I specced it in that color. And then was considering GT3 RS. And then Vulcan Alpha happened. And some other things. We can 3D print our own GT3 RS now. No, we cannot. We could, but it wouldn't be as functional. Anyway, talking nonsense, let's do more car spotting. Oh, Evora, fantastic. GT4, GT3, GT3 RS. Then we have another GT3 RS. Oh, someone almost crashed into each other. So many Swedish Porsches. Lots of them. Lots and lots of them. Ooh, I love this one. I prefer this one. The 996 GT3. Oh wow, MP412C. Haven't seen that one in a while. Look at the license plate. 992 and all the ones. Who's crazy enough to drive a TVR? Insane. Yeah, and more Porsches. Love the color on that one. That's quite interesting. What is this even? Well, some of the PTS knowledge guys can tell me in the comments. This looks nice as well. Custom yellow stickers, decals. Some Focus RS. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That exhaust doesn't sound stock or look stock. Interesting. Now that is something close to my heart. Big wing on a 996. Love it. Beautiful cars, man.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I know you like them.
I love them. Was very close to buying one last year. Yeah. Or the year before first and then last year. Yeah. Very nice. That's it for today's track day. So we're back at Vulcan and look who's greeting us. But more importantly, hello. 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 Yes. Patat, also known as Pancake. How are you? What did you do? What did you do today? Tell us, tell us. Give us a report.
We cannot.
Why? Is she under NDA?
Yeah, we have some secret.
Secret Patat. For the OGs who made it till the end of the video, this is our first DRS wing. Not sure we've shown it before, but we're showing it right now because actually it's almost close to production. We cannot give away too much, or let's say the renders don't give away too much, all the details you will see. So I think we can show this, kind of.
Maybe.
Maybe or yes.
Should we, or we should do this?
Yeah, I don't know. No, I think it's fine. The level of detail is mind-blowing. I mean, you will see the actual, I wouldn't say, well, close-ups, you'll see the actual wing soon enough. We actually next week are getting the final 320 wing, and by final I'm just gonna walk away and show you what I mean, because we've shown you in the past the 3D printed version, the prototype, and now we will have next week the final carbon fiber version. It's been half a year in development probably, with all the CFD iterations and all the designs and all the restructuring to make it easier to be made. So yeah, and yeah, the DRS, when will that be finished?
We're already gonna be doing the prototype in May, by mid-May. Then we have the first functional, let's say, testing session in June probably.
Nice. But 320 is already pretty much available to order.
320 is, yeah, we're gonna have the first actual finished prototype in Monday, Tuesday.
Yep.
But everything has been tested on simulation, so now we're gonna put it on some test cars and test it out, and then but people can already pre-order it. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's slightly below 4,000 euros, is that correct? The final specification and the pricing will depend on your options that you choose, whether it's going to be a matte carbon fiber or the glossy carbon fiber, swan neck, normal neck. So if you want to talk aero, shoot us an email. I cannot wait to slap that wing on, well, in this case, twin turbo Huracan, but for that, stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. I guess it's going to be a big trip to Australia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be fantastic.